Good morning, student. Today in ninth standard Sanskrit, we are going to learn chapter 16 Ajayah Sa Bhavishyati. Okay, Saha means he, Bhavishyati means will become, Ajayah means victorious or undefeatable. Right? These slokas are written by Chanakya in Niti Sara. So we see the introduction. The following verses have been taken from Niti Sara, composed by Chanakya, and is mostly advised about polity. Chanakya did not accept the idea that politics could be separated from the family and society. Hence, he included many aspects of human life in his advice about polity. Chanakya always stressed on the fact that if man is rational and learns to look at the world, then all the things and events of the world can become means to make his life practical and happy. By following this, man can make his life perfect. राइट चाणक्य ने कहा है कि स्ट्रेस होता है, ये होता है, काम होता है, राइट, सब कुछ होता है, तो उसमें हम प्रैक्टिकल बन जाएंगे तो वी कैन मेक अवर लाइफ हैप्पी. वी मे डिवाइड द एनिमल्स around us into a good and bad classes, but person like Chanakya found something to learn from each one of them. It is in one such incident that Chanakya found qualities to be learned from different creatures around us. One from the lion and crane, 6 from the dog, 3 from the donkey, 5 from the crow, and 4 from the cock. These are described in the verses selected here. So चाणक्य है ना, ऐसे जा रहे थे तो देखा उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में कि द एनिमल्स आर ऑल्सो हैविंग द क्वालिटीज. So one should learn qualities from the animals also. And he has described one quality of crane and lion, 6 qualities of dog, 3 qualities of donkey, 5 qualities of crow, and 4 qualities of cock, which men should learn from them. In order to make one's life successful and develop one's personality, man should be able to inculcate these 20 qualities and follow them in life. From this lesson, we also learn that instead of finding fault with the animals, there are many things that we can learn from them. Okay, हर वक्त ऐसा नहीं है कि एनिमल्स को हम दूर भगा दें, राइट, बट इंस्टेड वी शुड लर्न द क्वालिटी फ्रॉम देम, and by it we can make our life happy and we can be perhaps victorious, right? There is first slok. सिंहादेकं बकादेकं सटसुनः त्रीणि गर्दभात् वायसात् पंच शिक्षेत् चत्वारि कुक्कुटादपि. Ekam means one, Sihat means lion, Bakat means crane, Shat means 6, Sunaha means dog, Trini means 3, Gardabhat means donkey, Vayasa means crow, Pancha means 5, Shikshet means learn, Chatvari means 4, Kukkuta means cock. So translation, dear student, write down. One should learn one quality from lion and crane. One quality from lion and crane, comma. 6 qualities from the dog. comma 3 qualities from the donkey, comma 5 qualities from the crow, and 4 qualities from the cock. देखो सेकंड श्लोक. ओके, क्लियर श्लोक फर्स्ट. नाउ सेकंड. अब वो जो है चाणक्य वो सब क्वालिटी समझाते हैं, राइट. प्रभुतम अल्प कार्यम वा यो नरः कर्तुम इच्छति सर्वारंभेन तत्कुर्यात् सिंहादेकम प्रकीर्तितम. राइट. प्रभुतम यानी बहुत ज्यादा, मच. अल्प मीन्स लेस, कम. यह नरः, वा मीन्स और, यह नरः मीन्स द मैन. कर्तुम इच्छन्ति मीन्स वॉन्ट्स टू डू या तो डिजायर्स. सर्वारंभेन तत्कुर्यात्, आरंभेन, आरंभेन फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. तत्कुर्यात् मीन्स ही शुड डू. सिंहादेकम प्रकीर्तितम, that should be learned from the lion. Write down the translation, dear student. The person should learn one quality from the lion who desires, DESIRES, who desires to do much or less, to do much or less work from the very beginning. From the very beginning. राइट. सही. जंगल का राजा है वो बाद में नहीं बनता, वो जन्म होता है तब से ही होता है. मीन्स हिज वर्क इज फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग लाइक द किंग. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू द वर्क लाइक द किंग देन यू शुड स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग. ओके, चलो थर्ड वन. सर्वेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य भगवत्पतितो जनः कालदेशोपपन्नानि सर्वकार्याणि साधयेत्. Right? Sarva Indriyani means all the senses. Sanyamya means controlling. Bhagavat means like the crane. Patito Janaha means fallen man. Kala Deshopapannani. Kala Desha. Kala means time and Pradesha means place. Sarva Karyani Sadha should accomplish all the work. Right? So write down translation. One should learn one quality from the crane one should learn one quality from the crane who is a fallen man, who is a fallen man and accomplish all the work by controlling all his senses. Accomplish all the work by controlling all his senses according to time and place. According to time and place. राइट डियर स्टूडेंट. देखो क्या कहा इसमें कि ये जो क्रेन होता है ना वो ऐसे पानी में खड़ा रहता है. आधी आंख बंद खुली होती है, आधी बंद होती है. एंड द फिश विच इज पासिस बाय हिम, राइट, उसको लगता है कि ये सो रहा है, इट इज पासिंग. और जैसे ही पास होती है, हाँ, उसकी नज़र तो नीचे ही होती है, मगर प्रिटेंड ऐसा करता है कि वो देखता नहीं है. और जैसे ही मछली वहां से जाती है, ही पिक्स इट अप एंड गल्प्स इट डाउन, राइट. तो ऐसा हमको करना चाहिए, टाइम और प्लेस के मुताबिक. एक बार हमने धोखा खाया, दोबारा धोखा खाना नहीं है, राइट. चलो, 4th वन. प्राप्ताश्री स्वल्प संतुष्टः सुनेत्रः शीघ्रचेतनः प्रभुभक्तश्च शूरश्च ज्ञातव्या स्वगुणा हि षट्. Swaguna means 6 qualities. Okay. Swa means dog. Gunaha means qualities. Shat means 6 qualities from the dog. Okay, sorry. Praptasi means eating what is available. Praptasi means eating what is available. Swalpa santustah means satisfied with very little. Sunidraha means taking sound sleep. Shigra chetanah means getting up early, means awakening quickly. Prabhu bhaktascha means devoted to his master. And shurascha means brave. Gnatavya means should know. Swaguna means the quality of dog. Shat means 6. One should learn, write down the translation. One should learn 6 qualities from the dog. 6 qualities from the dog. Dash. Eating what is available. Eating what is available, comma, satisfied with very little. Satisfied with very little. Comma, taking sound sleep. Taking sound sleep. Comma, wakes up quickly. Comma, devoted to his master. And brave. Dear student, these are the 6 qualities of a lion. Right? 6 qualities of a dog. Sorry beta. 6 qualities of a dog. Now 5th one. Avishramam vahid bharam शीतोष्ण च न विन्दति स संतोषस् तथा त्रीणि नित्यं त्रीणि शिक्षेत गर्दभात. Okay, शिक्षेत means learn, गर्दभात means donkey, त्रीणि means 6. कौन सी 3 qualities? अविश्रामम वहेद भारम means carry out burden without being tired. Okay, शीतोष्ण च न विन्दति. शीता means cold and उष्ण means hot. गर्मी की सीजन होती है कि ठंडी की सीजन में होती है, वो बर्डन लेके चलता ही जाता है, राइट. फिर ससंतोषस तथा, और गधे का मुंह देखना एवरी टाइम, हाउ विल इट बी ससंतोष, satisfied. Okay, so these 3 qualities one should learn from the donkey. Write down, one should learn 3 qualities from the donkey, comma, to carry out to carry the burden, to carry the burden without getting tired, without getting tired, comma, does not bother, does not bother, hot or cold, comma, and always contented, and always contented. चलो सिक्स्थ श्लोक. गूढ़ग्राहस्थ्य चातुर्यम काले चालय संग्रहम अप्रमादमनालस्यम पंच शिक्षेत वायसात. Vayasat means crow. Pancha means 5 qualities. Shikshet means learn. One should learn 5 qualities, right? कौन सी? तो good grahasthya. Okay, good grahasthya means doing secret household duties. Okay, doing secret household duties. Comma, chaturyam, cleverness. Kale chalaya sangraham. Kale means in time, collection of the things. Okay. Apramada. Apramada means alert. And analasya means absence of laziness. देखना आप कौवा बहुत अलर्ट होता है, स्मार्ट होता है. ओके. और ये जो नेस्ट बनने का होता है ना, वो सब काम वो करता है. इसलिए ये बात कही गई है. तो हम भी कोई घर का काम करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, तो वी शुड डू इट स्मार्टली लाइक द क्रो. राइट? राइट डाउन द ट्रांसलेशन. वन शुड लर्न 5 qualities from the crow. Excuse me. Dash. To do secret household duties, to do secret household duties, comma, cleverness,